Entaro Adun, Executor. I am Judicator Aldaris. I have been sent by the Conclave to serve and counsel you. The former Executor, Tassadar, was commanded to halt the Zerg progress in the Terran sector by burning the infested human worlds. Unfortunately, he disregarded his orders and attempted to destroy the Zerg while sparing the Terrans from the flame. Clearly, Tassadar has failed us. You must not. The Conclave has dictated that our first priority is to strengthen our defenses. You must reinforce our outpost in Antioch and make certain that the province does not fall to the Zerg. Your old comrade, Praetor Phoenix, will meet you there and assist you in this endeavor.
Input command. Longplay.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Coordinate G-Side. Instructions. Initiated. Instructions. Initiated. Confirmed. Protoss. Instructions.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Serve Okola. She house. Honor She house. For Hadun. Isatsu.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
For Hadun. Honor guide me. For Hadun. Class serve.
Executor Entaro Adun. It is good to see you once more upon the field of battle. What would you ask me? Alas, all of our probes were lost in the last Zerg attack, and we had no resources with which to replace them. Executor? Naktakala! I had intended to construct photon cannons here for defense, but without probes we could not do so.
You've not enough minerals.
What would you ask of me? What would you ask of me? Nakbagala! For ire!
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Executor, for ire! As you will. Your command?
Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals.
Your command? As you will. What would you ask of me? Nakbagala!
You have not enough minerals.
I hunger for battle!
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. You must construct additional pylons.
What would you ask of me? I hunger for battle! What would you ask of me? Executor? For ire!
Upgrade complete.
Your command? Executor? For ire! Your command? As you will. For ire! Nakbagala!
You have not enough minerals. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
What would you ask of me? I hunger for battle.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Confirmed. You have constructed additional pylons. Protoss.
Your command? Nakbagala!
Receiving.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Make use of me. Nagatsu.
No, Executor. Although we two have marched across hundreds of worlds together, I never imagined that we would be fighting on Ire. The Zerg are indeed worthy foes.
Entaro Adun, Executor. Your defense of Antioch has restored my faith in the Templar caste. I admit that Tassadar's desertion had shaken my faith.
Indeed, Eldaris. I would hope that the Judicator would put more faith in their Templar brethren.
Tassadar, where have you been?
Be silent, Judicator. There is no time to waste, and I have much to tell you. As you know, the Zerg vanished after the fall of the Terran world of Tarsonis, and though the Conclave bid me return home, I was compelled to remain. A powerful psionic call drew my attention to a remote barren world named Char. Apparently the call was answered by others as well. For upon Char, I encountered those who were once our brethren, the Dark Templar.
Consorting with the Fallen Ones is heresy.
Enough! Hear me, Executor, for I have learned much from the Dark Templar Prelate, Zeratul. The Overmind controls its minions through agents called Cerebrates. Strike down the Cerebrates, and the swarms will surely fall.
Executor, Tassadar may be right. If you can keep the Zerg occupied, my force may be able to penetrate their perimeter and slay the abomination.
I pray we can trust you, Tassadar. Already I can sense the taint of the Fallen One's influence on your mind. You must return to Ire at once.
My concern is for the safety of Ire, not the judgments of the Conclave. I will return when the time is right. Input command. Protoss. Longplay. Awaiting instructions. For vengeance. Mitora. Confirmed. For vengeance. Commencing. Longplay. Confirmed.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Make use of me.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Transmitted. Confirmed.
We are under attack. The warriors have engaged the enemy.
Command. Longplay. For vengeance.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Commencing. Longplay. Got source. For vengeance.
The warriors have engaged the enemy.
Source.
My life for hire.
Transmitted. I am needed. Awaiting instructions. Protoss.
The warriors have engaged the enemy. My life for hire. You must construct additional pylons. You must construct additional pylons.
Colossus. Some Protoss. Make use of me. Protoss. Some Protoss.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
Transmitted for vengeance. Initiated. Some Protoss. Mitora.
Initiated. I am needed. Commencing. Awaiting instructions. Nagazul. Confirmed. The warriors have engaged the enemy. Nagazul. The warriors have engaged the enemy. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. The warriors have engaged the enemy. Confirmed. For vengeance. Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals. Awaiting instructions. Make use of me. Mitora. Protoss. I have returned. Transmitted. Initiated. Mitora. Commencing. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals. Receiving Mitora. You must construct additional pylons. Input command. Protoss. Protoss. Awaiting instructions. Input command. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. Protoss. Transmitted. I have returned. Input command, Galactus. I am needed.
Executor, we are in position. I await your orders.
You have not enough minerals.
What would you ask of me?
You must construct additional
As you
pylons.
will.
Instructions. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Make use have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. You have not enough minerals. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. You have not enough minerals. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
What would you ask me?
Awaiting instructions. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Your command.
You have not enough minerals.
What would you ask of me? Nakbara.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. You have not enough minerals. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Transmit. Victoria, input command. Transmitted. Make use of my life for my minerals.
Your command?
Receiving. Make use of my life. Receiving. Your warriors have engaged the enemy house.
What would you ask of me? For hire. For hire! I will remain behind and observe the effects of our attack. Return to the Citadel. I shall notify you when the brood becomes erratic. Executor, I bring news most dire. The Cerebrate that we thought we had killed has arisen again. The creature's battered form was reincarnated despite the considerable damage we inflicted upon it. Even now, the Cerebrate drives its brood in preparation for their next offensive.
It is as I feared. It was folly to believe Tassadar could be trusted. The Conclave will not soon forget his wanton betrayal. Nevertheless, we must stand resolute, for attacking defenseless Cerebrates is not the way of true Protoss warriors. We shall overcome the entire swarm with the might and the fury that is our heritage. Executor, we shall lead our main strike force to the province of Sion, which has fallen to the Zerg. It's time the Zerg felt the wrath of the Sons of Ire. Praetor Phoenix will remain here with a small detachment and guard Antioch from any further assaults.
Adun be with you, Executor. Bring swift death to the enemies of Ire.
Contact. Shogun. Locus acknowledged. Locus acknowledged. Chaos. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Awaiting command. Chaos. Shogun. Locus acknowledged. Shogun. Standing by. My life for ire. Locus acknowledged. You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. Shogun. My life for ire. Standing by. Locus acknowledged. It will be done. Shogun. Chaos. You have not enough minerals. 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 Awaiting instructions. Standing by. Chaos. Locus acknowledged. It will be done. Locus acknowledged. It will be done. The enemy. Standing by. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Standing by. You've not enough minerals. Awaiting command. Upgrade. You've not enough minerals. Standing by. Upgrade complete. Protoss. Input command. Nakatsu commencing. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Commencing. You have not enough minerals. Awaiting command. I have returned. I have returned. I have returned. I have returned. Awaiting command. Locus acknowledged. Locus acknowledged. It will be done. You must construct additional pylons. I have returned. You must construct additional pylons. Upgrade complete. You've not enough minerals. Jogai. Kidos. Gokola. It will be done. Gokola. Locus have engaged the enemy. Kidos. It will be done. Kidos. Gokola. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Kidos. I have returned. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Using command. It will be done. Kidos. It will be done. Kidos. Kokola. Kidos. We are under attack. Kokola. It will be done. Kidos. I have returned. Input command. Protoss. Transmit. Confirmed. You have not enough minerals. Locus acknowledged. Kios. Locus acknowledged. Kios. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Kios. Transmit for vengeance. My life for hire. For my life for hire. House. I have returned. My life for hire. Make use of me. Confirm your life for engaged the enemy. My life for hire. I long for combat. You have not enough warriors have engaged the enemy. Upgrade complete. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. My life for hire. For vengeance. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Input command confirmed. Have engaged the enemy. Make use of it. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Upgrade complete. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. For vengeance, awaiting instructions. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. For hire. My life for hire. What battle calls? My life for hire. My life for hire. Some Protoss. Make use of me. Colossus. Initiated. Some Protoss. Longplay. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. I have returned. For vengeance. Confirmed. I have returned. I have returned. I long for combat. Initiated. Protoss. Make use of me. Awaiting instructions. Protoss. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. I have returned. I have returned. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Commencing. Vengeance. I am needed. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Initiated. Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Protoss.
Antioch is under attack by overwhelming Zerg forces.
Praetor, you must hold your position for as long as possible. Fight on, brave Phoenix, and know that the gods watch over you. Entaro Adun.
I have returned. I have returned.
Executor, I know that you were reluctant to leave Ire in this dark hour, and that you still grieve for the loss of your comrade, Phoenix. But remember that he lived and died as a Templar. He has reached the Kala's end. There is no greater glory than that. We Judicator are called to look beyond such matters, to ensure the safety and future of our people. It is not the Zerg, but the rogue Tassadar, who represents the greatest threat to us now. If he is allowed to spread the Dark Templar's tainted influence to Ire, all will be lost. We will find him and bring him to judgment. Tassadar claimed that this world was abandoned by the Zerg just prior to the invasion of Ire. Yet I still sense a lingering darkness here. Be prepared for anything, Executor. If there are still Zerg on this world, then they must surely know of our arrival.